There is something in therapy which is mentioned by psychologists, therapists, and so on. It's something known as when someone is really anxious, terrified, afraid, and worried. How do you calm such a person down? There's something known as self-hugging. Self-hugging. What it means is that someone hugs himself in a time of anxiety. Self-hugging. طيب, where's this from? There is essence to it in the Quran, and it is mentioned in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He describes the fee of Musa alayhi salam and the extreme fee that he went through, Allah Azza wa Jal said to him, وَاضْمُمْ إِلَيْكَ جَنَاحَكَ مِنَ الرَّهْبِ, which means hug yourself from the fee that you're in. وَاضْمُمْ إِلَيْكَ جَنَاحَكَ. Al-ulama rahimahumullah, they said جَنَاحَكَ meaning your left hand and your right hand. Put your right hand under your left and put your left under your right. And like a kind of udmum meaning hug, embrace yourself. Min al-rahb, because of this anxiety and this fear that you're experiencing. Well, الصحابة, Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, he said, ما من خائف بعد موسى إلا إذا وضع يده على صدره زال خوفه. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, there is no one that comes after Musa alayhi salam that is afraid of something and puts his hand on his chest except that Allah removes his fear from him. Mujahid rahimahullah, from among as-salaf, he said, كل من فزع فضم جناحيه إلا ذهب عنه الفزع. Mujahid rahimahullah said, any person who experiences fear and anxiety, فضم جناحيه, he embraced himself, إلا ذهب عنه الفزع, except that the fear would go away from him. Fear would go away from him. Then this is Allah's word. And this is the explanation of the companions. So yes, we do have this idea of self-hugging, right? That is mentioned by psychologists. But if we read our Quran, we would have found this in our Quran. This is what Musa alayhi salam was commanded to do by Allah. And as a result, Allah removed his worry. Naam, this is a therapy. Naam. Allahu Akbar. Read the ayat, read their translation and interpretation if you're shocked that the first time you hear something like this.